Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 31st of March 2024 and I'm going to be going over the results of week 14's testing for the SPX options predictions based on option chain analysis. Without further ado, let's just get into this video. So the prediction last week was that SPX goes up, which was right. And if you are curious as to where these predictions are coming from, definitely go view my channel, since you can see in more detail as to where these predictions come from, including the option chain analysis and some technical analysis as well, which are the backbone of this prediction. So definitely go view that if you are interested. But the prediction made on the 24th for the week ending the 28th of March 2024 was that SPX goes up, which is definitely the case since it opened at 5,219.52 and closed at 5,254.34, giving us a PNL in terms of points as 34.82% points, which is a 0.67% profit, bringing our cumulative PNL up to 5.51% and actually increasing our alpha to minus 4.59%. Although it's still in the negatives, it is definitely increasing and improving. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.